Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to be doing some baubles or ornaments depending on where you are in the world. So I've got white collar on this one, free spirit on this one, and cocktail dress on this one. They're all neonail colours, and then I have topped them with a non-wipe matte top coat. I have got some art gel here. This is a you can use this on top of a finished nail. It's got no tacky layer. I am gonna use this. I'm just putting like 4 dots to kind of do it. Right, it's gonna be the guide for my bauble. I'm gonna do a round bauble. You can join them up and make a cross in the middle. That's quite a good idea, but I don't want any white on the middle. I want just a white outline. I just want to outline my bauble or my ornament for my Christmas tree. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, your ornaments are history. Isn't that what cats sing? Because don't cats ruin trees? Also, I don't know, I don't have cats. Right, anyway, shut up, get on with the video. I'm outlining the bauble, and then I will pop that into the lamp and cure it for 60 seconds. Someone put on one of my videos, they put a comment saying, I wish there was less talking in these videos. I don't think so, Sunny Jim. I'm a chatterbox when I get started. Sorry, I just talk, I waffle. It's just my thing. Right, these dots are called angelic dots and they're available from Nail Sugar. You can use code NATMUG10 and save 10% on those if you want to purchase some. I don't know that you'll get them this side of Christmas now though, because I know Royal Mail have got massive delays, unfortunately. I've just put some hard base inside the circle, and into the hard base I'm going to pick up some of these little dots. I had a little bit of yeah, that was a bit silly of me. I'm just going to fill the entire circle, if I can pick the little dots up, with dots. Yeah, we're just going to fill it up with dots, and I want all different sizes, and I want a mixture of so in here there are white dots, there's kind of like matte gold dots, and then there's shiny gold dots as well. I was really struggling to pick them up. It was a little bit #awkward, but yeah, I do get there in the end. But this one looks, I really like the look of this one. I love the gold dots on the pink background. I just thought it looked quite cute. My dog is, what are you doing? He's barking at his bone. Every time I do this video, every time I do videos, my dog is like chewing his bone next to me on the bed. I'm sitting on the bed today because I can't be bothered to sit on my chair. I think I want a new chair for Christmas. It's hard. It's a hard chair. Anyway, I'm not doing nails for a little while. Yay! Because I'm having a break. But when I say for a little while, I mean like over Christmas. I'm not going to be doing any more nails. So there we go. I'm going to pop that into the lamp and cure. Don't worry though, you have got videos coming up, so don't panic. In fact, you've even got a video on Christmas Day. I know, how generous am I? Actually, truth be told, I've done too many videos this week. So you've got a video for every single day this week, even Christmas Day. So if you are one of the unfortunate people in tier 4 whose Christmases have been cancelled, like I am, then you can watch YouTubes. I'll come and join you and entertain you on YouTubes. Anyway, hopefully you're not, and we're in tier 4, but we're going to try and make the most of it. So yeah, COVID, F you, it's all I'm saying. Right, I've picked up some elastic gel. Now I've got a little tiny ball the size of a bogey, and I'm just putting it on the top of the bauble, and I've used this silicone tool. I've got a little bit of water on the silicone tool. I've made it like a little bit damp so it doesn't stick, and I've just pushed it out into sort of like a petal, but it's actually going to be a bow. Now I've literally just flash cured that, and I'm going to put another one on the opposite side. And again, I'm sort of pushing out with this little silicone tool, kind of like you would when you're creating petals, you know, when you're doing it like with acrylic and whatever. We're just sort of doing that. See, now we've got like, it's like a really cute little bow. They actually remind me of bunny ears. I thought they would make like a cute bunny. I could have to do like a 3D bunny. Then over the top of the dots, I'm putting some base coat before I top coat. And the only thing is with these is because they're shiny, any top coat or anything doesn't like to stick on, it doesn't like to stay, it kind of like separates off them. So what I have to do is, once I've completely covered the bauble, see, I've really quickly shoved it in the lamp just so that I make sure that the bauble is covered completely. And then I'm going to go over that with some dry top coat. You can go straight over with the dry top coat. I like to use I thought I'd use the base coat just to give it a little bit of height, and also I just thought it would, you know, just, yeah, you can do 2 coats of top coat if you end up getting any gaps where the top coat doesn't want to stick to the baubles. So pop that into the lamp. Then I'm literally just going to using the art gel again, because this hasn't got a tacky layer. We're just going to do like a little string. And then that is our first bauble. That's going to cure in the lamp for 60 seconds, and that one's done. Right, the next one is going to be a massive, right, I've got these massive crystals. These are Citrine Preciosa SS39s, I think. They're massive. I think they're about 8mm, but look how amazing they are. These are Preciosa crystals, right? And people are worried about Swarovski. Don't worry about Swarovski. Preciosa. Hello. You need Preciosa in your life. Right. The crystals are available from Crystal Parade, and they're available in different colours as well. I don't know why I bought a big pack of 144. I think I've probably used about 4 of them now in total. So I don't know what I'm going to do with the other 140. I bought them to be the centre of rose. Anyway, shut up. Right. I am making a cluster. We're going to do... Right, this is like a massive, big scaled bauble, right? But I thought if I use these bigger crystals, then you can actually see what I'm doing. So I've put a lump of gem glue on the nail, and I've just put these 2 so that they're sitting nicely next to each other. And once I'm happy with how it looks, aren't they gorgeous, I will cure those for 60 seconds in the lamp. The gem glue I'm using is the Crystal Totalist gem glue that you can get from the Crystal Parade. That's where I get mine from. Then what I'm going to do is, using a brush, I'm going to spread the glue between... I'm just going to sort of cover the inside of the gems, just the crystals, just so that they're nice and stuck. I don't know what my kid's doing. Then I'm putting another big lump of gem glue between those, and I'm going to place that 3rd crystal, there we go, up against the other 2. Now you don't want to put too much gem glue on the inside, otherwise this one won't butt up nicely to the other 2. So do be aware of that, but you do obviously want enough gem glue inside to, you know, because if someone's going to wear, I mean, I wouldn't... Boys, what are you doing? Can you not? Because you're going to annoy the neighbours. If you're going to do this on a real person, I would definitely scale down the size of the crystals. But me doing it on this size, you can see what I'm doing. So on the middle, where there's gaps between, I'm going to place some gem glue, and then I'm just going to fill these areas with the gold caviar beads. Again, these are available from the Crystal Parade. So I'm just going to literally fill up this center bit. I'm just trying to make it look like more of a complete crystal ball as opposed to 3 big crystals, and these gold caviar beads were a pretty good color match. There we go. So once I'm happy with that, I will pop that into the lamp to cure. When you put these in the lamp with crystals this big, get your client just to keep moving their finger around so that all the areas get cured. And you see these gaps between? I'm going to fill all those with caviar beads again. I think I've done it. Yeah, look, see? So it's just like doing it at the top. And I tried to make it look round. Now, before I put the caviar beads in the top, I'm going to use the black art gel to, oh my goodness, to create the string. Oh, someone's crying now. I'll be right back, 1 sec. Okay, so bottle flip turned into bottle flip in the face, but he's okay. Right, okay, so we're just doing the string that's, you know, that the bauble dangles from, and we're going to put like a little thin bow. So just like 2 overly kind of hoops each side, and I'm trying to make them I'm trying to make them symmetrical. I guess you don't have to, but you know, you can make them wonky if you want. Pop that in the lamp for 6 seconds, and then I filled the top with the beads, and this is the second finished bauble. Not gonna lie, I think it's probably my favourite because I love a crystal. Only I'd probably want it on a smaller scale, but you could see what I was doing. Right, with the bigger ones I meant. Right, the third nail I'm gonna do, this is using the art gel. I'm creating a, what's the word? Right, we're gonna call this a navette shaped. This is like we're gonna call this a navette shape or a marquise shape. Yeah, marquise. Oh my God, I was watching this thing yesterday and this woman was trying to say marquise and she was saying marquise, marquise. No, it's marquise, love. Though I can't talk because I pronounce things really different. I don't know what I'm laughing for. I think it's, yeah, anyway, shut up, Nats, you're being a knob. Okay, so look, we've made our shape. We're going to pop that in the lamp to cure. Then I've got this amazing ethereal glitter from Nail Sugar. Oh my God, I love this one. And it looks amazing over the bluey purple colour. So I'm just going to, we're going to put this inside the bauble. Yes. Oh yeah, baby. Right, so again, look at that. Oh, isn't that amazing? That's just like winter icy goodness in a glitter. Right, so I've got some base coat here, Neo Nail base coat. The Neo Nail gel polishes are available from neonailuk.com, and you can save 10% on those using my code NATMUG10, FYI. So look, into the base coat, we're putting some glitter. I'm going to fill the entire bauble. I mean, it's not massive, so you know, you don't have to. I'm going to, because I love glitter. I love glitter, I do. So yeah, so I'm going to do that. And again, once I'm happy, I am going to pop. Look at it already. Oh, sexy AF. Isn't that nice? Oh yes. Right, that's going to go in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds once I'm happy. Now, for some reason, the base coat went over this a lot nicer than it did the dots. So I'm putting the base coat over the top. Or is this? I might have just gone straight in with the top coat on this one. I can't remember, actually. You'll see in a minute anyway. But yeah, it kind of, it was much nicer over the glitter. For some reason, the shiny dots, it's a bit like, I don't know. It just, yeah, kind of wanted to separate. Do you know what I mean? But it's because it was shiny and not a, you know, it didn't have a nice surface to grip onto. So I'm bringing some of that art gel over the top of this. Yeah, that was just definitely just the top coat. And we're going to create some little lines, some little curvy lines. I made a little bit of a boo-boo there. So just clean any mistakes you make. If you've got a detailer brush, not a detailer brush, just this is just an old 3D brush that I use as a clean-up brush, just to correct my mistakes. And at the moment, I've been making loads of mistakes. It's a nightmare. So yeah, pop that in the lamp. Then we're going to do the stringy bit that the baubles hang on to. And then I was going to do a bow, right? And I just completely fluffed this up. So this is like this gel. You can sort of do like 3D kind of designs. And I ended up making this really naff bow. I didn't like it at all. So I was like, right, I'm just going to put some crystals on just to make it look a little bit more nice. So these are the Preciosa AB crystals from the Crystal Parade. Yeah, small crystals. I know, I love crystals. I'm going to use a smaller one. Look at these though. See? Preciosa. I love them. I'm putting some gem glue on the nail, but you can't see because I'm out of shot. It happens a lot. I'm going to start doing that thing where people say put a cross on your paper towel so that you know where your camera is, you know, where the center of your camera. So I'm going to start doing that because there's a video that I've got that I'm going to put up this week, and oh God, it was really infuriating editing it because I was like, you're not in shot, you penis. So I'm going to have to sort that out. Right, anyway, pop that in the lamp to cure. And then that's the third one done. And yeah, this is all the baubles. I hope you like them. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. I think that's it. And I'll see you beautiful lot tomorrow with another video, because we're doing videos every day this week because I just don't care. Videos all week. Just for you guys, to cheer you up, because COVID has shat on our Christmas. Well, actually, you know what? I'm swearing a lot. I'm going to shut up because I'm swearing a lot. I love you all, and I will see you in the video tomorrow. Have an amazing Tuesday. Love you all. Bye. P.S. Look at those crystals. Sexy.